Hello and welcome to Syntomatic. My name is Zach and I am the owner and builder of Syntomatic. We are still in beta phases, but now I think it's the right moment to get some users on board it and maybe just run over the website real quick and what it really does. Syntomatic is built on the data layer Synternet. We're using AI agents and some data sets that really help with the decision making of all the positions. For now, we are only supported with KuCoin integration futures. Soon it will be spot trading as well, and then Binance. And also in the future, we'll support more than just Kepler wallet. But for now, it's only Kepler, and you need to make sure that you have the Synternet chain on your Kepler wallet, preferably with some amount of Synt. Doesn't really need to be much. But you just need to connect with Kepler. Then you can go to credits. Each credit is equals to 1 cent, which is roughly 1.3 cents right now. And execution of trades takes 1 credit, and then asking Syntoshi for help will take 4 credits in any scenario that you are trading in. Here you just put in the amount of credits that you want, and you'll have to pay that amount in Synt. Now, if we go to settings, there are things that you need to fill out. You need to fill out the KuCoin API key. You need to fill out the KuCoin API secret, and also the API passphrase. And it's really easy. You basically just go to the API management, and then you'll create an API key. Here you'll put the API name, doesn't really matter what it is. API passphrase is something that you need to remember. It's like a password. You put it here, and then the only thing other you need to do is press futures trading here, next. And when you press next, you need to go through probably some steps, put in your trading password and stuff like that. And then you'll be prompted with the API key and API secret. Then you'll need to copy paste that into these fields. Then you'll need to save the settings. And I would recommend that you check if the keys are valid. Keys are valid, that means that you're able to trade. Now let's explain this a bit. In futures trading, we usually use something called lots, but it's really hard to maybe calculate out exactly the USD amount that each trade does. So we try to do it as much as possible. So for example, if you want to use 10 capital per trade, which is like the margin thing, then we'll try to match it with the lot size. So try to get as close to it as possible. The higher that you go in the USDT amount, the closer you'll get to the actual amount in percentage wise. The leverage is, of course, how much leverage you're going to have on the trade. So let's say it's 10, like it's right now for me. The trade will be valued around $100 with $10 of your own money being at risk. For this field here, you only click this here and save if you want to be automated in futures trading. Right now that is in beta, like we are just testing it out. It works, but we're testing it out. There's a lot of things that needs to fit together to make it work. So it's very good. The next thing is what is very interesting and very exciting at this point. It's prompt trading. Now, prompt trading is something where you can actually decide and help create a trade that fits your need. If it's going to be a safe trade, it's going to be have a higher or lower stop loss, take profit, something. Doesn't really matter what trade you are looking for. It can be short or long trades. Here you can basically construct your own prompts that might fit your needs. Now, these are the only trading pairs available currently on the website for us to execute the trades automatically, but this list will grow eventually to almost all trading pairs available for future trading on KuCoin. Now, all right, the next thing is to create a prompt. We can create something by ourselves, or we can just maybe choose something that might be good from the list, or let's say check ETH Yeah, we'll maybe do this. Sending a prompt costs 4 credits. Let's do that. Now we'll have to wait for a bit because the API endpoints are still being upgraded as we speak. So. All right, now we got the trade from him. This is the recommended trade, long position. If we go to futures, we'll see that these are the trades that are open right now. Our ETH trade right now. We execute the trade. We're happy with it. It executed. So let's take a look. It's here. This is the new trade. Now, what is very interesting is you can create your own prompts and try it out and what fits your needs. But managed position, this is I think which is going to be the killer in the future. We will be able to automate this so that we can run every half an hour, every hour. We could find scalping opportunities. We can find squeezing opportunities or anything. If it goes to liquidation at some level, we could scalp that area. But that's all like future music, but that's possible with this thing. But here we can ask Syntoshi about our positions and he'll give us some options. So if we ask him, it will take a bit of time, but he'll go over all of our positions and recommend some different trades for each positions. Maybe it could be hold, it could be liquidate the position completely, it could be reduce the size to 50%, it could be reduce it could be buy more, but it all depends on what he gives. If he gives, for example, a reduced size for ETH for 50%, which is managing the portfolio quite a bit, there will be a button here which says execute the trade, and we could execute the trade so it would reduce the size and sell at market right now. All right. Now we can see that he suggests to reduce by 50% the trade on BTC long. But we'll leave it for now like that. But as you can see, he's managing our portfolio at this point. He gives us reasoning why he's telling us the action. And this, I mean, imagine the future where this just runs in the background. You don't have to worry about anything. You could manage hundreds of data sets or hundreds of pairs, and I mean, you would be always like having some kind of a watchdog looking out for you. We could set it up so that it doesn't execute the trades automatically, but it could manage the portfolio in that way that it's always looking at options and trades and stuff. And in the future, when we run out the when I create the application for this, we could put out push notifications. Oh, action required. I mean, those are all ideas that I think would be great, especially for a person like me that I just can't look at the trading charts and stuff and incentives in the market all day. It's just not feasible. So it's either I hold on for a spot trade through all and DCA everything, or I just or I can have something like this where I basically have like a financial advisor in a some sort of way where it will help me understand what is happening with the portfolio and how I can fix it. The good thing is that I don't have to put in any parameters in KuCoin. I don't have to do anything. The only thing I have to do is just accept the trades and it'll do the rest for me. All right. Yeah. Finally, we'll probably put out Binance soon or soonish. We are going through investor rounds as of now, trying to raise some money just for both advertisement and development of this product in the long term, and it will. I think it could change a lot. I think it could change the game quite a bit if we're using it as a tool to help us trade. We gain an edge in the market. It's just like that. All right, thanks.